The cleaning of space junk. We started leaving trash in orbit as soon as we departed Earth. It's endangering space stations and astronauts. What can be done with the trash? 5 astronauts and 2 cosmonauts on the International Space Station, ISS, were told to gear up and take refuge in their capsules in November. Russia destroyed one of its own satellites with a missile, threatening the orbital outpost. NASA told its newly arrived sheltering team, "It's a weird way to start a mission." The incident showed how hairy Earth's orbit has gotten, and it wasn't unique. 2 weeks later, mission controllers received another debris alarm. NASA delayed a spacewalk due to safety concerns. Another caution forced the space station to avoid a US rocket body that's been orbiting Earth since the 1990s. It reminded me of the 2013 movie Gravity, in which a shot-down satellite ruins the ISS, Hubble, and a space shuttle. Since the early space age, there has been more garbage than active satellites. Space is big, so no one was very frightened. The amount and mass of tumbling debris has continuously risen over the past 60 years. Military, space agencies, and private operators launched hundreds, then thousands, of satellites for espionage, navigation, research missions, communications, and more. Earth's orbit was previously empty. More than 8,000 tons of space trash circle the Earth, including discarded rocket parts, dead satellites, and technology fragments. Old space gear can linger aloft for generations, millennia, where it can smash into other objects. According to the UN Office for Outer Space Affairs, a 750-mile-high Roman spacecraft would fall back to Earth now. It's virtually corporate good practice to show that you're sustainable, to make your satellites able to move out of orbit when they approach the end of their life, or to allow a firm to collect or service your satellite, adds GEA. By retrieving deceased satellites, the UK can establish competence for the impending orbital economy, where satellites are maintained and constructed in orbit. Please like, subscribe and share the video. For more videos from Tech Orbit, do not forget to click the bell icon.